Hi everyone, this is for Lisa here with Homebody. So this was the day that I went ahead and painted my home office. Back in the day, maybe about 8, 9 years ago, I really loved these paint colors, and I thought they were so cute, but I've outgrew them and I'm no longer liking the colors. I tried to deal with them, but it just wasn't my style anymore. So I decided to paint the room. So I'm going to go with like a pearl white color. It's really cute, and it was really, really cute on the swatch that I did. So I moved all the heavy stuff in the middle of the room, and I took all of my accessories out of the room. I'm going to, I don't even think I'm going to need to cover up these items. I have my nephew coming in that's going to paint for me. So now I have all the items off the wall, and oh my gosh, I had no idea I had this many nail holes in this wall. This is ridiculous. But I've tried to use those command strips, but they just don't work for me. Maybe I'll try once I get my walls repaired and repainted. So here's my nephew Dominique, and he has an assistant with him. They're starting to paint, and I'll come back and show you guys how everything's going to turn out. Okay, you guys, so the walls are done. They're painted, and I love it, you guys. I can't wait to start decorating. So this is the end of this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.